Hello student, Standard 8 English Medium, Subject Maths, Exercise 4.5, Question number 1. Draw the following. The square reed, quadrilateral reed means a square है और उसमें we know that students in square all the sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degree. So here given that one side RE 5.1 centimeter. So first here we draw RE. It's a 5.1 centimeter. Afterward, its base angle, both we know that it's a 90 degree. So draw angle 90 degree by using divider. Two arc on semicircle and between their arc it's a 90 degree. Afterward, all sides are same measure. So here we draw from E. It's a 5.1 centimeter. Afterward, at a point R also we draw 90 degree angles and draw 5.1 centimeter arc. Now afterward draw line segment AD and DR. So it's a required square RED. Now what we have to draw one by one stepwise. So write the steps of construction one by one. Next, question number 2. Draw the following rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter. In rhombus also all the sides are same, but here given that only two diagonals. So first draw any one diagonal. Let AC equals to 5.2 centimeter and diagonal BD equals to 6.4 centimeter. So first we draw AC, diagonal AC 5.2 centimeter, and afterward it's a perpendicular bisector of diagonal AC. Now see, first here we draw diagonal AC 5.2 centimeter, and afterward from taking one by one point A as a center and afterward point C as a center, draw perpendicular bisector of AC and it's a bisector line segment. If we join, it's become its midpoint here, center point, and from the center point second diagonal is given that 6.4, so it's a half 3.2 from O as a center and draw arc 3.2 centimeter. Okay student, from of center perpendicular bisector intersection of point O, taking a distance 3.2 centimeter and draw an arc on perpendicular bisector. Afterward join its AB, BC, AD and CD. So it's a required rhombus ABCD. Now next, question number 3. Draw the following rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Students, we know that in a rectangle two adjacent sides are, opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal and their angles are 90 degree. So here angle is not given, but two adjacent sides are given. So first we draw 5 centimeter line segment MN, and from the point M and point N draw 90-degree angles, and here also point at a point N 90-degree angles, so it's perpendicular on MN. Now second measure is given that 4 centimeter, so taking a distance from scale 4 centimeter, point M as a center and draw arc 4 centimeter in both the line. Afterward point N as a center and draw arc 4 centimeter. So intersecting point both are P and Q. Now join PM and ON. So afterward join OP. Now it's required quadrilateral MNOP.